This is the AI News Flash for June 17th, 10 p.m. UTC. First up, Databricks unveiled a wave of new enterprise AI agent products on day 2 of its Data and AI Summit 2026. The headliner is Omnigent, a meta harness that combines and supervises multiple AI agents from a layer above them. Co-founder and CTO Matej Zaharia called it a harness of harnesses, saying the industry needs a new open layer above the harness level. Databricks also launched Agent Bricks for AI governance, enhancements to its Unity AI gateway with cost monitoring and smart routing, a serverless GPU offering called AI Runtime, a machine learning automation tool called Genie Code, and an agentic customer data platform called Customer Lake. CEO Ali Godzi warned on costs, saying this is going to get extremely expensive and we are just scratching the surface. Enterprise AI is clearly shifting from single models toward governing and automating fleets of agents. Next, Mass General Brigham built a multilingual benchmark called Bridge that measures how well AI models interpret clinical text and health records across 9 languages. It uses real-world clinical data from electronic health records, case reports, and patient-doctor consultations, spanning 14 medical specialties and tasks like triage, information extraction, diagnosis, prognosis, and billing coding. The results were sobering. A top model that scores 92% on standardized medical exams managed only 44.8% on Bridge. The team evaluated 95 models from 59 clinical sources, and the public leaderboard now spans 107 models. The study was published in Nature Biomedical Engineering on June 17th. It exposes how models that ace exam questions can fall sharply short in the messy complexity of real-world care. Third, insurance giant State Farm's AI push is sparking fears of mass job losses, with one agency owner calling it a real slap in the face. The company frames it as its next-gen good neighbor strategy to digitally modernize sales and customer service. Under the proposed contracts, its 19,000 human agents would lose health benefits and a long-standing retirement program and face performance-based commissions instead.
Agents who miss sales targets for 2 straight years would see pay cut, and some say their income could drop by as much as 40%, forcing them to lay off staff, refinance homes, or close offices.
After strong pushback, State Farm walked back part of the plan, saying it will extend certain retirement benefits for 3 more years, though the payouts will be tied to future sales performance. And finally, Consumer Reports investigated how Uber and Lyft use AI to set what you pay, exposing what critics call surveillance pricing. With 175 participants nationwide requesting identical rides within minutes, sometimes seconds, the same route often produced very different quotes. On the Gulf Coast, one rider was quoted $95 and another $66 for the same trip, a gap of nearly $30. An investigator said the crossed-out original prices used for discounts looked fictitious, calling it not a real discount, but fictitious pricing. Uber and Lyft retain 43 to 50% of each fare. Both companies dispute the findings, saying prices reflect real-time factors like supply, demand, and weather, not user characteristics. Maryland and Connecticut have enacted surveillance pricing limits, while California, Pennsylvania, and New York weigh broader bans. That's all for this AI News Flash.